son of a... I'm pinching and lifting. Oh! Oh!
Hey, if you're making coffee, I'll have, whoa, kind of a mess in here.
It's fine. Everything is fine. I'm happy and in love. Damn it, Brian, did you leave the doggy gate open? No, stop it! Peppy, you're allergic to Frankie's food. Malcolm, stop humping your brother. Backseat, outside.
Babe, can you give me a hand moving my furniture all around the room until I find a place I like for it?
Kind of in the middle of something, babe.
Ah, the 7-hour itch.
Shut up, Brian. Why don't you go for a walk? No walk. No, we're not going for a walk. Now stop saying walk. I said walk again, and there again.
Honey, I want to make a stir fry tonight. Have we unpacked the wok?
No, W-O-K. W-O-K. She said walk. She said walk. She said walk. My candy! It's all gone! Even my West Hollywood candy! My Twinks bar! My very Milky Way! My Reese's Peanuts! Who's done this to me? Who's taken candy from a baby?
Well, we did it. Cheers.
We sure did, Chris.
Cool iguana.
He's dry. I named him Arid. Thank you, Word a Day calendar, travel edition.